Hello, it's me again. Today I will be explaining the limit clause. The limit clause is used to limit the number of records that are queried. It's very useful if you're working with a lot of data. One use is that you can display a large dataset on different pages, also known as pagination. Here's an example. I have a few customers. Not very many. I'm working with a small dataset. If I would ever need to limit the amount of customers that are displayed, I can add a limit clause, then set how many I would like to display. I would like the first customer, limit 1. That would return Fred Fish in my example. If I need the first two, that would be Fred, then Larry. 3 is Fred Larry Bubble, that's kind of a weird first name. And then 4 would be Poppy. Currently, these records are organized by customer ID. We could combine the limit clause with the order by clause. Let's order by last name. Then limit 1. That would return Bubble Bass. It's in alphabetical order. Or we could do last name descending limit 1. Poppy Puff has the name in least alphabetical order, I guess. Basically speaking, limit limits the number of records that are returned. It's very useful in combination with the order by clause, which we learned about in the previous topic. Now, with the limit clause, you can add an offset. Limit 1, 1. The first number is the offset. Limit to 1 record after the first. That should technically return Larry Lobster. Yep, Larry. So limit 2 would add an offset of 2, which returns Bubble Bass. Limit 3 would return Poppy Puff. Using an offset would be very helpful when working with a large dataset if you need to display your records on different pages. Suppose that our dataset is maybe 100 customers. I need to display 10 customers per page, so the first 10 would be just limit 10. But my dataset's really small, so it's not going to be apparent. If I need the next set of 10 customers, I can add an offset of 10. Although I don't have that many customers to begin with, the next set of 10 customers would be an offset of 20, then display 10, then 30, 40, so on and so forth. So yeah, that's the limit clause. You will limit the results that are queried. Type limit, then some number. You could add an offset. So display some number of records after an offset. But yeah, that is the limit clause in MySQL. I will see you guys in the next lesson.